Hey, what's up, everyone? Mike here with the watch list video for Friday, August 4th. SPY gap down, but closed above its open today. Looks like a fairly narrow range and a pretty low volume day. If you were in chat today, you know I had to leave early. I only got to trade for the first little bit. Before I left, though, I did put out this. There's my post from our chat room, TUP over 350 idea. That was my post in chat. And this was the setup. There's the 350 break and worked right away pretty quickly to 424, about 25 minutes just straight up. And I'll show you in a little bit what's going on in after hours with that one. But anyway, a nice move. I hope some of you caught it. And I was not available in the room the day. I had a day today, but it had nothing to do with trading. So anyway, that's all I have as far as highlights because I wasn't really there. All right, let me go into what we're watching for Friday. I hate to reiterate this, but I had this maybe a stalker on StockTwits that's since moved over, and they're using their Twitter account now to try to harass me because when I put out watch list videos like this, you know, like yesterday, I might have put out stock XYZ on watch, and if XYZ was read today, this idiot is tweeting at me, nice call, you know, like stupid stuff like that. Like, I don't understand how someone doesn't understand what the word watch list is, but I guess there's still people out there that somehow try to make money from stocks, not even understanding the word watch list. So for the people in the back, this is a watch list. I will only take trades in them if I get an A+ intraday setup. I'm in cash every night. I don't know why I bother with some people, but BLDP is on watch tomorrow, right? Big volume. Kind of tried to break out of this range today. They had what sounded like a nice headline, some deal with Ford, but then it turns out I think it's for 2 trucks. So still a nice sounding headline and could lead to something. But anyway, it definitely didn't catch fire on that headline. But it's trying to break out of that base, so I'm going to watch it. RBT gapped down today, but then held up pretty well. So the thing's holding up. So I'm going to watch that one. IDAI. I feel like I need to zoom in a little bit here. IDAI, big 2-day run, quiet inside day today, so I'm just looking for a possible follow-through tomorrow. RAD is Rite Aid. Oh, by the way, I also called this one this morning. Over 225, which was the early high right there. Broke 225 pretty quickly to 230 something. So if you took some off the table there, you probably hit out the rest flat, made a few bucks, but hopefully that put it on your radar. Maybe you caught this cup and handle this break later. If you just let the stop work, stop would have been, I don't know, right about here, you would have got stopped out. But again, anytime you get a big volume push like that, you should at least be selling some. Back to the daily, though, certainly worth keeping an eye on with the big rip yesterday, inside day today, but pretty strong day, right? And we're going to look for a 3rd day play there. FNGR is kind of coiled here, right? There. So could break to the upside. It's kind of an interesting looking chart. HDSN, nice rip today, strong close, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. UPWK, kind of the same thing, nice breakout today. SABR, name of the company is Sabre or Sabre, if you're an Office fan. Nice little breakout today, maybe a follow-through day tomorrow. MSGM, kind of an interesting chart, had a big rip 3 days ago, a red day, and tried to go again today. But I would like this chart much more if it would have gone out near its highs here and had a solid green candle. But I still will keep it on a chart tomorrow. I already talked about Tupperware. It closed at 352. As I'm making this video, let's see, it went out in after hours at 656. So all the way up here. Obviously had a big headline in after hours. You know what, I can show you. Let's go to 5-minute candles and real quick just show the 24. So this is what happened. This is where it closed for the day and then absolutely ripped in after hours. So it will be on Gap Watch tomorrow, right? And then also GENQ I happen to notice in after hours. This is a weird looking daily chart. But this went out in after hours at 15 something. So it's definitely... at least ran in after hours. We'll see if it's going to, and see, you can see the after hours pop there. See if it's gapping in the morning. That one in Tupperware TUP will be on Gap Play watch list. And we'll add other gappers as we always do in the pre-market when we work together. And that's it for me. I'll see everybody in chat on Friday morning.